Today we'll talk about how can you add device on your My Home app. We will to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on add device, you just click on it here, and you just click here on add device. Then it's going to take you to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on allow, so then automatically here it's going to show for you in this list. So I have no device here yet, and here can you scan code to add your device. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.